Hey friends, it's Sarah and I just wanted to film a quick check-in video halfway through our No Spend November challenge. I thought it might be nice to have just a little check-in with those of you who are participating. And I also wanted to take time to just say thank you. There were a lot more people participating than I thought actually would, so it was really encouraging. I'm so glad that you're here. I don't know about you, but it's not been easy every single day to do the No Spend challenge. But as week 2 is wrapping up and just some life things have happened, I've got sort of a medical thing I have to do that I'm not looking forward to, and just some other stresses, I find myself just drawn to wanting that retail therapy. It's almost like it's a distraction from the unpleasantness that I'm dealing with in one realm or another. And I wonder if you're feeling the same thing. Or maybe there's a different way that you're going towards spending and you're feeling drawn to want to spend money during your challenge. I wanted to remind you that you can post updates, pictures of your own printable on the YouTube community. There's actually places now where you can put your own posts right here on the It's All His community page. So it doesn't just have to be me posting updates or pictures or showing you what's going on. I can hear from you too, and we can all encourage each other in that way. So if you haven't done that, please give that a try. I would love to see and hear how things are going for you specifically. I have definitely had to seek the Lord about some of these unpleasant feelings that are driving me to want to spend. Why do I think that buying a new piece of clothing or what have you is gonna make me feel better? Why do I have a, oh, you deserve this because you went through that hard thing mindset? So I've been doing a lot of praying, and I'm really thankful for this challenge. And I'm particularly thankful for all of you, because I will say, if I wasn't doing this with other people, it would be so much easier to slip up. I don't want to let you guys down. I want to encourage you as much as you're encouraging me. And so you just being here, that accountability, I talk about that a lot in my videos about sticking to a budget, paying off debt, and getting our finances in order. How important it is to have accountability and community, because if you know people are cheering you on or are hoping that you'll succeed, it helps you actually want to do it. And I found that to be very true as I've been struggling a little bit here in week 2. So if you've had slip-ups, even if you've went and spent money that you didn't want to do, don't quit, stick with it. Remember, this is not about perfection, it's about making progress. It's about seeing the types of things that trigger us to want to spend when we shouldn't, want to break our budgets. I have definitely seen some of that for myself this week. It's really just about paying attention. I notice when I'm anxious, when I'm stressed, I want something like shopping to make me feel better. That's my cat. Do you want to come up here? She doesn't. When I've had those hard moments, I just need to pause and pray. And I want to encourage you to do the same. Remember that every time you say no to a purchase and go to Him instead, that is building a really good habit. And it's helping us to fight against the discontentment, envy, anxiety, whatever we're struggling with in the moment. Because we all know if we buy that thing, it's only going to make us feel better for so long. And then we're going to need something else to keep filling those holes. So keep going. As we head into week 3, let's encourage one another, pray for one another, and focus on gratitude and contentment, and bringing any of those feelings that make us want to shop to the Lord as many times as we need to. And if you haven't joined in on the No Spend November challenge, it is not too late. You definitely still can. I'm going to put the original video up here for you to watch. And I'm also going to link the printable in the description box, and a link to Aprons and Grace Etsy shop. She's collaborating with me on this No Spend November challenge here and over on Instagram. So definitely check out all of those things. Come talk with us over on Instagram too. And let's keep going. We've got this, and God's got us.